In this video, you'll learn how to create beautiful websites with Claude Code in 3 easy steps, and by the end, you'll have a website ready to be shipped. So let's start now with the setup. First, visit 21st Dev and create an account there. This place is where Claude will use to get inspirations on how to make and produce high-level websites and animations. Then go to MCP and do the steps as follows. Open your terminal and run this command, which will install the MCP on your device. In case you get an error, means you don't have Claude Code CLI installed. So just run this command and you'll be good to go. Now, make sure you already have your React app ready and configured. What we will do now is open the command prompt and install using npm the Framer Motion module. This is a module that Claude will use to make outstanding transitions and animations instead of using plain CSS. So once you install that, let's move on to the last step. Now install UiUxProMax skill. It's a markdown file that Claude Code reads before doing any UI work. Inside it is a structured database of design knowledge, making Claude an actual god-tier designer. To install it, you put this command and install it locally on your project. Then it will ask you to install skills if you don't have it, followed by a couple of configurations. And here you go, 3 important steps we've finished, and we can say right now we've prepared the environment for Claude. But in order to make this kind of video for our coffee shop website, we will use Nano Banana for image generation and Veo for the video generation. Now, navigate to Google Flow and click on Create New Project. I've prepared some prompts for my coffee shop website, and here's a screenshot of what I told Claude, what I want, and it generated for me the prompts. First, let's generate the image of a coffee mug. By using this prompt, I got these images. Let's pick this one. And just a heads up, generating is free, but generating videos takes 20 credits. Now for the next image, I want the coffee bean to splash on the mug I have. So I paste the prompt and select the mug I want, and I will get the result needed. Now for the video, just switch from image to video and paste the prompt of the video that Claude generated for you and the images of the mugs that has no splash and the mug that has a splash, and let Google make the video. Now I have a perfect video. I will simply go add it into my assets folder and let Claude Code do the blending. Inside Claude Code, we are ready to make this website. Now just paste the Claude Code prompt and hit enter to let Claude create that website. Now each time it does any design task, it will use the UiUxProMax skill, and it will use 21st Dev MCP it is connected to search for inspirations and integrate it into our website. Now if you're confused about the prompting, I asked Claude to do it for me. I gave what I want to see, and what to use, and it structured the prompts. So don't waste your time creating prompts, just let Claude do it. And here are the results. Now, few issues I need to fix, and they're pretty simple to do. First thing, we have the information. I need to give Claude actual information because now it's using placeholders. And this is something really easy to fix. Also, I need to fix this background on my images, which is also easy to fix. Other than that, Claude Code integrated the video animation really good, the website feels smooth and production ready. And honestly, it took me 30 minutes to do all the steps, including the video and the code generation. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to give it a try and tell me what will you build using this. Comment below. Also, if you want to see how I use Claude Code and Google Stitch together to create my own portfolio website, make sure to click on this video, and I'll see you there.